Feel good about insulating your home with ECOCELL batt insulation. Manufactured by Cellulose Material Solutions, ECOCELL is industry-first cellulose-based batt insulation. That's right, ECOCELL is the only product of its type available and is one of the greenest and safest solutions on the marketplace.
Made from recycled and renewable fibers, the majority being recycled newspapers, ECOCELL batts have superior thermal and noise absorption properties. A quiet, more comfortable home is achieved with ECOCELL batts.
Homeowners choose ECOCELL because it is Class A fire-rated, mold-resistant, and saves money on energy bills.
ECOCELL batts are used to insulate attics, sidewalls, and other hard-to-insulate areas.
ECOCELL batts can also be used to completely fill rim joists to reduce air infiltration.
Plus, the material does not itch or irritate skin like other insulation products, so it's safe and easy to handle.
Choosing ECOCELL batts for your home is not only the superior choice, but the green choice.
ECOCELL insulation is available through New Wool Company. Contact New Wool today for more information.